cool. Oh, hello guys. Today we're going to a museum or exhibition, I guess. I have no idea. Let's just go into it. La 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 la. Oh, excuse me. Hey, maybe I need to go like this. Yeah. Okay, done. Yeah. Okay, so we're in a sort of thing. Simple control. Simulator room. Oh, girlfriend. Girlfriend room. Cool. Yeah. What is this? Okay. Ouch. Maybe you need to take a while, so let me wait. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Wait, it didn't work 3, 2, 1. Okay, it's time to go. That was a complete Oh my god.
冷氣機係第五大發明嚟嘅，水啊、可樂都唔係，因為出邊真係如果你夏天出去咧好熱。仲有一樣嘢咧，就大家你記住，你哋熱嘅時候邊熱，都一樣熱我唔係點會出得咁手，好冇？好啦，嗱，等一陣先，大家飲啖水，跟住背囊嗰啲唔好拎啦，知道嗎？好。好啦，我哋排一行。
Wow, that was a good boy.
輕鬆啲啦，大家。
好的，好的。
係啊，今日唔係返學，每人罰你哋除咗。
Alright, let's go 啊！
係啊，冇整餐。嗱，仲有一樣嘢唔使爭。我上飛機第一個一定會。
Alright, let's do this. Oh, there's a bar. There's a lurry bar. There's an actual bar. Cool. Back. Alright, back here. I will do eat stuff actually. Just grass. It's for losers. Wait, where are you going? Where are we actually going? Really? 我哋去邊啊？追飛機咯！哦，個飛機，直升機嚟喎。喂，等陣，入邊有個牆喎。Wait, there's an aircraft hangar. Oh my god. A helicopter right over there. A chopper. Alright, chopper. 最高勢 Oh my god. The world's most oldest aircraft in history. One over here and the other one's over here.
飲水，唔使爭嘅，實夠時間。我話俾你聽，我拿捏得好好嘅，我1點前我一定自己會放工嘅。你哋唔會令我 OT 嘅真嘅。係啦，所以大家都唔使驚，我唔會留低你哋嘅，係啦。咁我講一講先啦。咁我呢架係直升機，呢架係 R22單人嘅訓練機，呢個係 single engine 嘅R22啦。咁咧，我哋本身咧就會係有架44，即係嗱呢架其實係Robinson 嘅。你哋上網都可以睇到 R22啦。咁咧，小型飛機咧就用跑道，直升機知唔知係咩升降啊 ？H 型咯。咩升降？嗱，教你哋真係。
停機坪嘅 H。
垂直升降。 知唔知？
哦
啊，垂直升降。
係啦係啦。
咁佢個 flexible 嘅原因就係佢唔需要用 one way，即係唔需要用跑道，咁就可以 take off and landing，即係呢個我哋垂直升降啦。咁我哋咧以前咧就2015年咧1月12號之後咧，我哋就停飛咗，就係因為隔離基建啦、地鐵啦，咁啊體育園啦嚇呢度。咁以前我哋呢度咧，我喺97年之前，我哋都喺呢度係私人飛機喺度訓練嘅，因為我哋可以喺呢度逐出去啟德嘅跑道嘛。咁我第一份工喺呢度咧，喺1989年我喺度做，咁我有權咧跟嗰啲會員飛㗎啦，所以咧係好值得懷念嘅嚇。嗰陣時我啱啱第一份工，咁我都來回咗呢個會30幾年啊！我今次翻咗10幾年，所以我對個會好有感情，因為我哋個會其實係會員形式嘅，咁佢哋係交會費啊嚟營運嘅，我哋冇政府資助，冇飛機牌學一個直升機牌，係真係唔係話好貴，但係亦都。直嘅時候咧，你 trip 咗佢咧，佢可以直飛1分鐘，咁你隻手咧就可以。但首先你要個大屋先。
We're back.
有個
Still not ended.
有個
Very weird.
先，咁香港一定有，咁一定有私人飛機，係啦，一定會有嘅。咁喺屋企你俾飛機咧，咁我都答你係得嘅，咁但係。
We're looking at the helicopter or 20.
包括小型飛機都好啦，直升機都好啦，我哋要將個 flight plan file 俾民航處。你架飛機咩型號、咩名、幾多點鐘，嗰個pilot 即係嗰個機師係邊位，跟住由幾點起飛到幾點降落。因為咧，如果佢喺你特定時間咧 call 你咧 call 唔到咧，咁我哋就會聽電話㗎啦，佢就會打嚟我哋度話你架機去咗邊。我哋基本上就會嗱聲打手提電話俾啲客啦，咁有陣時啲客可能停喺沙灘啦，停喺啲唔知咩島啦嚇，咁啦就啊，咁我其實你話3000尺，因為我哋飛唔到入雲層，因為我哋冇 GPS，亦都唔會好似飛機咁飛入雲層嚇，我哋一定喺天空上面嘅，即係喺3000尺樓下㗎，一定係有規定㗎嚇。如果唔係咧，你飛入雲層你會死，因為陣間大家坐上去就知啊。我啲直升機、小型飛機冇冷氣，好冷氣的。真係話俾你聽，你想瘦你焗下咯，係啦，我成日都講係真係嘅。咁我哋唔飛機咧，每一個咧點樣靠咩去有空氣咧？喺呢個位。得呢個位。
What's that?
Inside there is no airflow.
哦。
the fresh air 啊，佢聽唔到英，佢聽得到英文。少少啊，緊要啊！你可以用英文問我英文都得㗎，普通話亦可以啊嚇。我英文都 OK 㗎，做咁多年我都話我海德爵喺飛行會，我係英文好流利。
Really?
因為以前係全部都係外國人。因為我哋以前好多 captain 啊，好多係啲外國人，係啊。因為以前100個會員裏邊95個係外國人，5個中國人好難入。中國人好難入呢個階級。咁咧而家咧就100個裏邊，我諗有5個係係啦，翻轉係啦，因為而家你 after 咗97之後咧，好多我哋以前啲英國人全部走晒啦，係啦。咁我啲教練都有啲係咁我啲教練本身係咩人咧？本身係我啲 member 攞咗個 PPL 牌，夠250個鐘，跟住佢哋自己再去俾錢考嗰個 flying instructor 嘅牌。跟住佢哋嚟翻個會度幫我哋，每個月仲要俾月費，跟住又要幫我哋做義工去教呢班學生。係啊，係，所以我呢幾百個會員咧係好，我哋係好成個 family 嘅，都話咧，即係所以佢哋係無私奉獻咯，即係我覺得係一樣嘅，同埋佢哋仲有 examiner 都係
OK。
我哋基本上啲學生咧就嗱，仲有咧，我哋唔可以超過200磅㗎嚇，即係
200 pounds。
如果你都同180磅嘅啦。咁咧，我哋通常咧要 balance，如果你自己一個人飛要 balance 喺隔離咧，咁我哋通常擺沙包，沙包。
Really?
唔係會
Sandbags.
你 balance 到你個肥佬坐呢邊，你嗰邊機咪得咯。咁你飛嘅時候架機咪唔得平衡咯。擺嗰啲 sandbag 或者擺嗰啲嗰陣時擺嗰啲係啦，我哋擺。咁基本上我哋就要小朋友小心啲，啲鐵嚟㗎。我踢過落去啊，話俾你聽，我腫咗1個月啊，隻腳。係啊，嗰嚿鐵咧，你唔踩得爛佢㗎，佢整親你啊。同埋我哋好多嘢咧都因為係鐵㗎，所以咧 啲手咧，千祈唔好咁樣揩，因為我驚你哋啲皮薄咧。嗱，發生過，所有嘢都講過，發生過㗎啦嚇。你哋一揩咧，你哋唔知咧，陣間就流血就係因為啲鐵會令個鑊揩到你哋啲皮，翻到屋企先知咁咪弊啦，係咪？所以咧，自己乖乖地下。我講啦，所有嘢發生過。同埋我話即係話點解要咁得滯，因為真係我有一個同學 ban 咗佢哋，係亂咁走啊，咁多咁樣嘅，大佬你整親我有錢啊，我打份工嘅啫。咁好啦，小朋友咧點樣上咧？我基本上我都係一個小朋友嘅新年啦嚇。係啊，我真係由細到大都係得一點下跛，我冇功過㗎啦，我好辛苦先由149級。我幫 B 嗰年因為爭少少到150，我先至去做運動嘅。咁咧嗱，通常咧小朋友咧行得正常啦，或者爸爸媽媽幫手做啦，咁我就OK， 係啦，我好涼。好啦，咁跟住咧呢啲咧掣咧其實係一樣。咁嗰個滅火筒咧其實係真係滅火筒嚟嘅，因為我哋其實所有飛行嘅飛機啊、小型飛機啊，全部都有一啲叫做 fire extinguisher 包埋喺架飛機度嘅，同埋一定要破，即係一定有呢啲安全嘅嘢先可以有啦嚇。但係正常我哋上飛機就唔會咁型仔去擒嘅，基本上我上翻落嚟就得。基本上咧高嘅好似媽咪啊或者爸爸嗰啲咧，通常我哋扶一扶咧，佢哋一摁就坐上嚟，夠高嘛，係啦。咁咧就係啦，係啊，好型嘅，好型嘅，我一啲都唔型嘅，陣間俾你哋上下。好啦，講埋呢架先。
Alright, let's go to the aircraft. The actual Bombardier. Wow, what is this? What, the wing can hold oil and stuff?
呢啲位咧會高嘅，咁啲細路仔咧就因為咧好得意啦嚇，咁要喺度帶啦，咁呢啲位咧喐咧就會夾埋你啲手，所以咧我就鎖咗啦，就冇辦法，真係出得晒多事嘅時候咧，咁唔係唔想俾你哋睇，係因為我自己都帶住都有啲驚。咁好啦，咁我哋呢個咧本身咧都話啦，上飛機就唔係咁型仔㗎嚇，我哋做過梯級嘅原因係俾大人小朋友同老人家。因為我會做，其實我咩團體都做嘅，咁有啲婆婆啊嗰啲啦嚇，咁我今年做咗盲人啦，做咗傷健啦嚇，伊利沙伯有病童，我覺得大嗰啲咧，我真係覺得好值得做，因為佢哋真係連上飛機嘅能力都冇，係真嘅。咁咧，佢哋只要一個笑容咧，我覺得我無限嘅感覺。好啦，咁我咧平時咧，我哋咧就愛嚟。做咗呢個平台咧，因為小朋友大小朋友啦。平時我哋好型嘅，我哋旁邊有件鐵踩嘅。咁但係因為如果你踩得太多咧，重得多咧，嗰條線會斷啊，咁唔得啦嚇。每個禮拜我都有帶。好啦，本身個飛機翼咧唔係黑色呢度㗎嚇。咁咧大家要睇住，我油咗黑色嘅原因係因為呢度有條鐵承托住呢度，係啦，呢啲位。唔好踩啊，小朋友！我講俾你哋聽，你哋踩爆咗，我冇問題，我揾個工程師整。但係你哋將會傷害到你哋嘅隻腳嚇，明白？唔好試，唔好睇下自己係咪真係唔重，真係唔好啊！因為你哋整親我隻腳，咁我哋通常踩邊度？好啦，先睇下，係嘛？係啦。咁跟住咧，大家第一時間隻腳咧就會要踩落上嚟。一定有一個，我次次都，不過唔緊要，你哋踩完之後你仲要坐翻嘅啫。我就基本上我成日都會有份嘢，都會行，由踎低啦，咁我就會彈落嚟啦，坐低。咁好啦，因為呢個嘢咧好有用。咁好啦，啲兄弟姊妹啊，唔好話細佬你坐，阿哥你去嗰度睇下夾唔夾爆你隻手啊嚇！溫馨講真係唔好，因為真即係你可以拉，但係唔好又有喺嗰度，好唔好啊？
It could move.
咁咧， 因為呢個以前呢個都會喐，但係呢個真係出咗事鎖咗啦。變咗咧，嗱好啦，
Dasher please.
小朋友好容易嘅就係你哋一攬翻隻腳出嚟，大人啊，我通常就教佢跪一跪地，好啦。
哦。
係啦，呢個係一個係我做咗幾次，
好似好過入。
Oh no, there's too much rules.
咁唔使爭，咁大家可以慢慢影，慢慢上去嚇。好啦，咁我哋咧，因為呢架小型飛機咧嘅歷史就喺呢度啦，1972年啦，喺英國飛翻嚟，係我嗰個會員兩兄弟嘅，咁亦都上過洞仔文站㗎啦。咁啊冇 N 字，冇咗 N 字就係。
我真係起唔到飛嘅。
行過㗎啦。
Oh, you can't even upload. How can you do this? Alright, we're going. Yes. Alright, let's do. Okay, you first. What?
係咪可以上㗎？冇人睇住我哋都得。
Oh
踩
well.
爆咗都唔知嘅。
Alright, let's do this.
應該上得啦嘛？
Up,
佢話分
up,
兩
soldiers.
組嘛。
Up.
哦，咁上咯。
Alright.
即係淨係上呢邊，唔係上嗰邊。係咪？
Okay. So this is the first scene of China. You got this, and then let's go over here, and then step over here, and then let's do this. Oh my God! I can literally do this. Look, look! I'm just literally steering it. I'm just literally steering it. Oh my God! And then there's the engine and stuff. We can just pull it. And then there's lots of stuff, including this old radio. Yes. Alright, let's drive it. Just kidding. There's no thingy inside. So let's go up. Alright. Hooray. Yay. Let's do this.
但係我見到啲人咧，其實係開心嘅。小心，得唔得？
Oh shoot. I can't. Alright. Oh my God. That. I literally climbed up an actual airplane. I never did that before. Yep. This time. Look at that. Okay. Stop. So today we have. Why am I black?
星期六同
Why am I black? Oh, we got.
加咗工我要放翻平日一樣。
And then we got two kinds of food, but we are only allowed to go to the red one and that one. No, I mean the helicopter. Wait, I'm waiting for it. I'm literally waiting for it. Let's wait. Let's wait. Let's wait. Oh my God, we're about to be.
我依家先發覺原來你件衫有好多支旗喎。
我今朝去買嘢，跟住就
Alright, let's go up. Let's do this. It goes very high, but I can do it. Yosh. Alright. Oh yeah. Oh, look at there. Yeah. Right, let's do this. Whee! I'm driving a helicopter. Yeah, yeah. I'm driving the helicopter. Okay, okay. I'm driving the helicopter. Oh wow. Yeah, 一齊揸吧。
挨過邊。
Yeah. Alright, let's do. Wait. 我哋拎住我個包。
你等我落，我
得試下先。得啊，得啊，搞掂。Alright, this is the end, I guess. Am I? Oh well, I'm going to stop here. If I have to play, for now, peace out.
係啊，慢慢咯，唔緊要，慢慢嘅，唔使爭嚇。直嘅時候咧，你穿咗佢咧，佢可以直飛1分鐘，咁你隻手咧就可以